Welcome to Taipei. Done. Welcome to Taipei. Muna ang isang itsura dire sa Taipei Main Station. Grabe kami ngaw. Tora. At kami sa may Baymin. Kana. Si Dana, gigutom na si Dana. Grabe, alas 3 pa may biyahe.
Galing ng airport, bumaba lang kami dito sa may Taipei Main Station. Pagkatapos, akala namin mag-transfer pa kami papunta ng Baymin. Pero sinabihan kami ng staff na maglakad lang kami and follow the sign. Eto, nag-escalator kami actually paakyat. Hindi tulad ng mga nakita namin na naghagdan lang sila na may dalang gamit. Tapos dito papunta sa hotel ay nakita namin yung Hotel 101. Pero syempre hindi nyo nakita dyan, di ba? Galang.
Ito yung hotel namin for 3 nights. Ano siya? Family room to siya. Yan. 2 double bed. Yan siya. Yan. Dito siya sa may... Ang hotel na to is tinatawag na Relight Hotel Ximending. Yan. Tapos ang... air condition. Ito. Tapos ito yung kanyang toilet. Toilet and bath. Yan. Ito siya. Dito pala sa room, nakalimutan ko ipakita. Meron siyang television, meron din siyang ganyan, meron na siyang free water, meron din siya nitong coffee and tea, oolong tea. Ito. Gusto ko itong i-try.
Because, you know, the coffee table is just beneath the
Steam. You're gonna steam. You're gonna boil and steam because they don't have an iron.
Super ganda nitong room na nakuha namin. At saka hindi mo naririnig yung ingay ng sasakyan. Pero naririnig mo yung ingay ng kapitbahay mo.
First day in Taipei. We're roaming around looking for a money exchange shop because we don't have Taiwanese dollar. We don't have anything to spend. So we have to find a money exchange. And we have to exchange our funds.
Dito sa Taipei, kung may bala kayo magpa-exchange ng pera doon na sa airport mismo kasi wala siya dito sa city. Hindi siya tulad sa Thailand na halos left and right yung mga ang tawag nito, yung exchange rate. Dito, dyan lang kami sa bangko na yan. Nag-withdraw kami at saka ang withdrawal fee lang naman is 100.
First meal here after we withdraw some cash. Then we walk around, roam around.
and we stumbled upon a very nice shop which is very affordable and I hope it's yummy. Well, the soup is yummy.
Maybe it's
Try the soup. Guwapo ni. Dapat unahon niya yung soup kay.
it's very big portion for 150 only.
Oh, no.
Second day here in Taipei and it's almost 10 or it's already 10. We're looking for a local breakfast. It's just behind or at the back of our hotel. Outfit check. Hanap kami ng pa-exchange ng Thai baht.
Galing sa hotel namin papunta dito sa may Ximending na arc na ito, mga less than 10 minutes lang. Tatawid lang kami dito sa may pedestrian lane. Tapos yan, nandyan yung kinainan namin na local breakfast na meron din siya sa Google review.
Paspas lagi diri ilaha. 19. Brisk walking diri ana side. Oh. Oh, diri jud ay tate. Dito tate nagtabo. Dito ta oh. Abi na ko imo itudlo dito. Oh, dito ara man dato ah. Ano siya diri? Ay, lewa. Hanap kami ng breakfast. Ano ni siya? This is the Ximending, but it's not night today. Evening. Morning pa man. Ang hirap maghanap ng ano? Hirap ang hirap pa-exchange ng pera. Withdraw lang talaga. Pero at least 100 batra ang bayad. Pag may GCash ka, wala kang babayaran. Go straight. Oh, may tax refund. The famous Mr. Ho shop. Dira daw daghagkuan. Daghan og mapa sa lubong. Tara, Mr. Ho. Tara, mamalit ta dira. We're gonna try the famous Xiao Long Bao here.
Ikaw na ang kukuha ng mga dipping sauce at ikaw ang magtitimpla para sa iyong Xiao Long Bao na order.
Unsa man na?
Nagabuhat po dahil siya. O, ayan na siya dira. Tapos, i-steam niya. Thank you.
150.
Okay, 150. Okay, then I will try the Xiao Long Bao. First, and you put it in there. Wala na dati mo pag naway. Anak ko sa kong Bisaya pa daw kayo. Mali lang man kung malo eh. Just be careful. Mo na siya ang sup-sup na sulod. There's a liquid inside na. Just be careful. Don't burn yourself. There's a liquid inside. Muna i-reason sa kanang kuan. Kusara. Nice na. How was it, Louis?
Good.
Very good. Nice.
Wow.
And then you poke it.
And you can see behind them that the staff is still making the wrap.
Easy one shot.
Yes.
Not real Amanda. It's easy white.
It's very light. The wrap is so thin. It's good.
Naman yung sa malansa.
Yeah.
Dana's the third time. My Dana have it in the third time. Yummy, Dan?
So yummy. You like it? It's okay. You can have it.
Masarap ang kanilang Xiao Long Bao. So, nag-try kami ng steamed vegetable and pork. Let's see. So, nisagol ang steamed vegetable and pork. Mag-nutsless, ano no? Soup no? Na ano? Same timpla.
Damian ko ano. Dana, do you want to eat or no?
No.
Are you full?
Yes. I'm playing my games.
Same lang siya glasa. Very nice here. First breakfast here in Taiwan. This is near Ximending. We're in Ximending, but this one is near Ximending night market. Xiao Long Bao is really nice. This one. Tama kaming kabayan. Pala. Na-meet lang namin.
Itong pangalawang pinuntahan namin is magkalinya lang ito sila, mga ilang lakaran lang, hindi naman ganoon kalayo, isang linya lang ito siya. Dito naman kukuha kayo ng tray, kukuha kayo ng mga pagkain. Don't worry kasi mga pagkain ay meron namang English translation.
Oh, malit raman ni kani try ni.
Kanina lang.
Kani try ni.
Oh, adi ka katilaw ana. Turnip cake. Kanina lang turnip cake. 60. Ano lang yan?
Kanina na kisuya. Kanina.
O kana. Kuha.
Tamukaw eh.
60 siguro na.
Berapa tayo? So, ice dili. Kani napod ni.
O kana tanan. Sugar soy milk.
Ice. 45 na mo. Ni no sugar ka? No sugar ka?
Kanang na with sugar na oy.
Anak na lang.
Duha ah.
Second breakfast for today. Panati unsa man na siya? Nice.
Wala man lala.
Dapat maguna na siya tusluan, wala lagi sila tusluan.
Punta na dito.
Wala tanan sila ingana nagpalit. Dana, this is tikoy. You can eat it with egg.
Pwede na.
For me, tikoy.
Tikoy.
Tikoy. It's too hot daw. And then this is the, yeah. This is the, here's the drink. Here are the drinks. Soya, that's a plain soya. And then this one is not. This is the tea. I mean the tea and soya.
Nakatayo ako kasi yung pandalawahan na lang na table ang naiwan. So para hindi ako humarang sa daan, tumayo na lang ako dun sa gilid.
45 lang naman. Maraming tao. Tikoy. With egg. Strap. But it's good for breakfast and it's only 140. We only paid for 146. Kanila ang ulay lasa daw na siya. Kasi dapat kaunan man with something else. Dami, tip tagal na makagawin dami. Oops. We have different taste preferences na.
Busog na.
Basta busog ba?
All the Saturday night.
390. We're done with our breakfast and it's already 10, 11, 11:30, almost 12 because we had our breakfast late and we're here in Ximending night market. This is actually the Ximending night market and this is how it looks like on daytime. At dahil mainit sobra, bili tayong tissue. Sobrang init. Dire, sulod. And this is my baby. 7-Eleven. Ito yung mga 7-Eleven nila. May onigiri. And then, syempre, bibili tayo dito ng mamaya. Bibili tayo nito. Ha, 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 ha. Dami din nilang mga ganiri. Wow, masarap para din siyang Thailand. Ang nakakaiba dito is meron siyang ganito. Yan. Siyang adobo food here. Wow. Hinahanap lang namin yung ano, Xing Fu Tang na drinks. And then after this is punta na kami sa net. We're here na busy. Naratiyo ang map! Murag buwa. Okay, tara. Iwan sino, ha? So, pipila muna dito sa order. Ayan. Ito ang kanilang mga menu. Meron din parang Xiao Long Bao. May boba brown Xiao Long Bao. Ayan. Refuse chemical first. So, I'm here queuing.
Okay, thank you.
Then, tatry lang. I'm gonna do the signature one, limited edition. Yan, daming tao. This is in the middle talaga. Ayan. Pop Mart dyan. Ayan. Okay. I took this one, 120.
Okay, 303.
Thank you.
309.
Okay. Pati yung free na ano, hindi na pinatawad. This one. Dandan! Wala ka sa picture ako. Pero nakita na. 312. Kami na. 312. Mo tarapit. Pick up here. 312. 312. This one? Thank you.
Okay,
And then, ito. That's it. Ito na. Ang pinilahan, ang pinunta ko dito. Here, made it to Xing Fu Tang. Tama ba ang pagka-pronunciation? Yay! This is the queue. Walang masyadong tao today because it's... Ayun pala. Yan yung pila. Here you go! Ayan. Dana! It's a bear! So big! It's bigger than Dana! You like it? Yes. Oh, look at what she looks like. Oh, the face look like that. Show Tita. Oh man.
Yes.
Tara. Overhyped. Yeah. It's just a milk with burnt sugar on top. But at least we tried. Pero the boba man itself ang ano na, not the drinks ba. The first boba. Sus. Grabe ang claw machine dito.
Oh, there's a capybara in here.
There's a capybara. Hi, capybara. Okay, next time.
Bye-bye.
It's Halloween season. Scary.
Where is the capybara?
Capybara is there. Uwi muna kami.
Ang next upload namin ay ang pagbisita namin dito sa may Queen's Head. See you again!